Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use WSL Windows subsystem for Linux on Windows Server. Okay, in this video we'll install WSL, and if you don't know, just write install WSL on your Google search and here. But first, I prefer to show you just install terminal preview on your Microsoft Store. With terminal preview, we have some yeah, we have some feature like change tab color to blue or change tab color to yellow, something like that. And with this, we have some terminal here as the Cloud Shell, Chrome and Prom, Windows PowerShell, and Ubuntu. After I install WSL. Okay, so follow the step. Just open terminal preview and write WSL and install, or just copy and paste here, and just copy and paste here. Okay. And if you want to, if you don't, but after install, this will install the default distribution. Will be Ubuntu. So if you don't like Ubuntu and want to try Debian or something like Arch, you need to use this command WSL install -d. This stand for distribution name. Okay. After install, we have so you just must click the link best practice for setting up with a WSL development environment guide here. So after install, you need to set your username and password here, and remember to yeah, remember to save your password in your notes. And okay, open PowerShell and insert. And if you don't want to use Ubuntu, you just write this command WSL -d Debian. Okay. And after you set your username and password, you need to copy this and paste in the your Ubuntu terminal, and because Windows do not automatically update or upgrade your Linux distribution, this is task for most Linux users prefer to control themselves. Okay, and for um, someone who's don't want to use WSL, you can try webinars. With this web, we can try every like terminal, Linux terminal. You just register and log in and click in terminal we have here, and enter your username and password. You log in here. Okay, but in this video, I just talk about WSL. So open your Ubuntu. Okay, here. So the first thing, okay, I forgot. If you don't see, if you don't understand what I say, you can follow my post. I also write a post for this video. Will be first practice for WSLs. Okay, it might take a few seconds. What's wrong? Okay. Okay, we got here. So this is my post first practice on WSL, and you can follow the link is my description to read this. Okay, back to my terminal. As after setup, you have well, we got this. Okay, let's start the lesson. After installing Ubuntu on your system, you click in this and turn on Ubuntu terminal. And here says your user after says your username and password. We have here Kafka is this terminal username. So I was through some comments for for the first lesson. Okay, the first comment will be pwd will be bring working directory. When we use this command, it will bring all the working directory. And here, the working directory we have here is Kafka and home. So we have ucd Kafka to okay cd home. No home, no search file or directory. Okay, let's create a new directory. So we have to use mkdir for create new directory, and we should name it dir53 or whatever you want. I name it d2. Okay, so after create, I want to see all the directory and folder I have. So I use list ls of sock will be list all the folder and directory here, and I'll turn into directory 2. So in directory 2, I will create a file, a text file. So I will use torch command and name the file will be world.txt. Okay. So in this world.txt we don't have any message, so our equals uh, welcome 2024 and append it to world.txt. When we use this signal, it will append the message in this into world.txt, and here we go. To show all the messages in world.txt, we use catch command and name it world.txt, and here we go. So I have some message. I have some messages in this world, and let's try. Echo. Hi. Linux. Antonio. And append it to world.txt. Then another message will be who created Kafka blog, and append it to world.txt. Okay, then let's print all the messages out. Good. So if I want to print the first two messages, the first two line in the file, in the Word file, so I will use head and head. Okay, head 2 and Word.txt. It will print the first two lines, and if you want to use the final line, we'll use tail instead. We'll use one for the final line. And here we'll create a Kafka block. Alright, we've got through some common features with Linux. So it's time for the final of the video. We will write a simple C program to find a prime number from 1 to 100. Okay, to start. I will choose process directory. In practice, I have okay fun script. Okay, let's start a uh, C. Let's create MK there for okay C programming. C programming. Okay, and in CD in C programming. In C programming, I'll create uh, uh, create a GNU with the first command will be nano, and next we will name the program. It will be prime.c. Okay, start the GNU nano 6.2 version. Okay, in this video I just copy and paste the code here. I don't write the code, but it takes time. And if you want to use the code, I give it in the post in the description below. Just click in my post and you have the code. Okay, and when you pass the code in here, you need to save for using Control O will be safe. And when you say, just enter here, press enter, and yeah, control X for exit. Here we go. And before we run the C program, you need to compile. So the command for compile, you need to check your GCC version. We check GCC version. Okay, here collect GCC. If uh, you don't uh, have available GCC person, you need to well, you need to you need to uh, apply this command. It will install the the technologies available for you. So turn back and I will check. Alright, if you check your GCC is available now, so just compile the program. So we write the command GCC and name of the program will be prime.c and -o, and we compile it into prime. And so whenever we write, we use prime. And if we run this command and there is no any error, so here that means the code is correct. If you run this command and it shows any error, so you can run the program. So let's run the program. Prime numbers between 1 and 100 are 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. Let's check in the practice folder. We'll use cd minus to turn back to practice folder. Okay, let's check if in fun script is any in the fun script. Let's check. I remember I write a C program for prime number in this, but well, maybe not. So this video is end now. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and you must follow my channel for the next video on Linux. Bye. See you next time. And if you have any question, please leave it in the comment below. I will solve it or create a video.